This is actually going to be kind of a quick video because it's a fairly quick topic, unlike the last couple that have been pretty long. This is about, can a credit repair company actually help you repair your credit? Yes and no. They can't do anything that you couldn't do on your own. You can do it. If your credit report, which you may have pulled because of the last video, has one or two errors, a couple of little things, and it's not terribly complex, then you can easily do it yourself. It's just a matter of whether or not your time and effort is worth it. And it can be, because a typical credit repair company charges you a couple $100 to get started up, and then like a monthly fee for every month while they keep checking your reports and disputing things that are wrong and getting things corrected. It's an ongoing process. It can be fairly expensive. It takes a while to repair your credit. However, if it really does take a while to repair your credit, it may be worth it if there's a bunch of errors. They can do it more quickly and efficiently than you can. But again, if you've only got one or two problems, it's not worth it. You probably should just try to do it yourself. In the notes for this video, I've put a couple of things to take a look at. One, of course, is Credit Karma, which is a good site. They have some really good information, and they talk about a lot of this same stuff. The other is from the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, a government agency, and they talk about credit counseling. Those are free nonprofit groups that you can meet with and can help you do things to repair your credit, get debt under control, and that sort of thing. They're a really, really worthwhile government service that's definitely worth checking out. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, just give me a call. Thank you.